Welcome to page 12 of your term combining packet. Please complete the 2 term combining problems that have been given to you. When you're done, enter your answers into the Google form that has been provided labeled page 12 quiz. For problem number 1, it states, find the perimeter of a rectangle with the length 3x minus 10 and a width of 2x plus 4. As you draw your rectangle, make sure you label all 4 sides. Remember, the length given on the bottom is the same as the length on top, and the width on the left is the same as the width on the right. Label each of your sides and complete the problem. Stack and combine. And for problem number 2, it states, find the perimeter of a square with the side length of 4x minus 1. Draw a square. And we know all 4 sides are congruent. Label all 4 sides and then stack and combine. Find the perimeter of the square. When you're sure of your answers in each case, go to the Google form labeled page 12 quiz and enter your answers. This completes page 12.